Hey guys, what if I told you you can make $1,000 this month just by one simple trick? Tell you right after this. All right, guys. So I promised you I would tell you how to make $1,000 this month with just one simple trick. And affiliate marketing is that trick. And right now we're going to be looking at Zaycon Fresh. Zaycon Fresh is a fresh meat delivery company, more or less. They bring meat from farms to a parking lot near you, and you can pick up your meat and deliver it back home. And cuts out a lot of the middleman, reduces costs, and the meat is fresh. It's fresh. I mean, you can't get any more fresh than that. All right, so let's go over to the computer. This is the Zaycon Fresh influencer application page. So first thing you notice, you get paid $15 per referred customer. Yes, $15. It's pretty good. All right, so let's look at how this works. Okay, so you sit there at your computer, you tell all your friends on Facebook, you tell all your friends on YouTube, you tell all your family, everybody you know to use this service. And every person who signs up gives you $15 basically for them signing up. Zaycon Fresh takes care of all of that information and delivers it right to you. You don't have to do a thing. The extended network is another way that you can earn some extra cash. So, having people sign up for Zaycon Fresh isn't the only way you can make money. No, there are some other ways. You can see here the extended influencer section down here at the bottom. Now, what that is a simple way for you to do absolutely nothing and still make some money. For each person that you sign up as an influencer, every person that they sign up as a customer, you get $5 for. It's that simple. It's crazy simple. It's easy to do. There's nothing to worry about. So let's look at an example here. They have this nice little example right on their website. So let's go over there. All right, so the Zaycon Fresh website, you can see here, you are at the top. You have 30 people that you sign up as customers. Pretty much everybody knows 30 households. Easy to find. You've got Facebook, you've got YouTube, you've got Twitter. No problem. You also probably know a couple influencers who have some large networks as well. Go ahead and have them, give them the same pitch. Have them sign up as an influencer, and then you get $5 for each one of their customers that they sign up. So let's look at the math here. So for the 15 people or the 30 people that you sign up, you get $15 for, and that $15 is yours to keep. That's what, $450. So now each one of your influencers also, for in this example, signs up 40 people. Each one of those, that's a total of 80 people. Each one of those pays you $5. So that $5 times 80 people is $400. So do the math, not quite $1,000. You're thinking, Steve, where did you go wrong? You said $1,000. This example, not quite there yet. So what there is there's a bonus. Once you cross the 100 customer mark, you get a $250 bonus. A $250 bonus. A $250 bonus. That's huge. You can do that. It's not that hard. Plus, what would you do with an extra $250? All right, guys. So in the description, I'm going to put the link that you can use to sign up as an influencer. If you're not interested to sign up as an influencer, at least sign up as a customer. Either way, it helps me out. And, I'm just going to be putting it back into the channel, making it better, finding more programs for you to earn more cash. So, guys, go ahead, sign up on that link. Tell me what you think of the program. If you know of any other programs, please leave it down in the description. We'll work together, help each other, make as much as we can. All right, guys, subscribe for more of these videos. Like this video. That's the only way I really know what to provide, what content to provide for you guys. So go ahead. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments.